Hey, what's up guys, Derek Peachy here from Glitch PCs, and today I am going to be showing you a few ways to make your computer run faster, smoother, get more FPS in games, and just have a better overall experience in Windows 10. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to your Windows taskbar. I personally have mine at the top, but usually it's down here at the bottom. So you're going to right click on your taskbar and you're going to go to Task Manager, click on Startup, and then here you want to disable basically anything that you don't want enabled. I suggest leaving Windows Defender enabled, but things like third-party software that you enabled or downloaded yourself, you'll probably want to disable it unless you really want it to be enabled. So that will definitely improve performance booting up your computer. You can also go here and select like different things that are running that you don't want running in Processes tab. So that's the very first thing. The second thing you can do is just making sure that your drivers are updated. I have an NVIDIA GTX 1660 in my PC. So I have Geforce Experience installed. I'll have the link for it down in the description below if you want to install it. But always make sure that your drivers are downloaded, and that will really keep your computer running smoothly, because what drivers do, they allow the hardware in your computer to communicate with the software, so that allows my graphics card to communicate with Windows 10 and with games and stuff like that. So keeping that updated is super important. Number 3, I would suggest going into your computer's control panel and uninstalling any software that you don't want installed, because that can slow down your computer. Taking up storage, the less storage that your hard drive or SSD has, the harder it is for your computer, or the longer it takes for your computer to find a place to put something. So, and this is more if your storage is completely full. Let's say you have a 128 gigabyte SSD and it's already filled up to 120 gigabytes. Your computer is gonna work a little slower. But if you have a 1 terabyte SSD and you only have 500 gigabytes of it filled up, then you're totally fine. The next one is to go into Control Panel and go into System Security. Click on View Amount of RAM and Processor Speed. Click on Advanced System Settings, click on Settings, and then here you can adjust for best appearance, for best performance, or you can create a custom plan. I would either select one of these two, either best performance or a custom plan, where you can select just a few things that you still like. These are just basically like the animations for Windows 10, and so I have mine set for best appearance because this is a higher end PC, but for lower end computers I would highly suggest adjust for best performance, because the animations actually do take a decent bit of processing power. Next thing I would do to speed up a computer is go again into Control Panel, go into System and Security, click on Power Options, and then here you have different power options. So right now mine is on balanced, but we also have Power Saver, we have High Performance and Ultimate Performance. If you have the Ultimate Performance one, I would highly recommend that. But if usually most just have High Performance, you may have to create your own High Performance power plan. But one of these will basically allow your computer to use all of its processing power, all of its graphics power, and not try to save power, and that will allow your computer to run faster. Last thing I would recommend to speeding up your computer, cleaning off junk files, is installing this application right here. This is called Ccleaner, and this allows your computer to, the software cleans up all the junk files off of your computer. As you can see, 370 trackers and 783 megabytes of junk, so we're going to clean that off. And you have a custom clean and easy clean, so this is just kind of quick one. This one you can go through and select exactly what you want to clean. And then there's also a computer like checkup. It'll check the health of your computer and fix anything with like coding issues with software or anything like that. And so that is the final thing I would do to speed up a computer. So I hope you guys did find this video useful and helpful. I hope some of these things did work for your computer and made your Windows 10 experience overall quite a bit better. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.